See here, this is my website. Just scroll on here. If I'm right click this option, open new window. Now click. They're going to which page? Home page. Now click for contact us. Copy this URL. The URL name is hyperlink. Now clear. Just go to the backend. So what's the name called here? Welcome to Arya Samaj in Malkampet, Hyderabad. Here. What happened here? A space HREF. What is the name here? Arya Samaj Marriage Malkampet. Then give the context.html. So what is the anchor text name? Assam Malkampet, Hyderabad. Suppose I am not use this name, just Control X. Click for save, change. Previous is highlighting with the hyperlink. What is called? Anchor text. Now refresh. So backlink is there, is a hyperlink is there. Is it showing anything? Nothing. What happened? Is no title. Reason is I'm not adding for anchor text name. So they're showing for empty. That is called no title. Yeah, hyperlink will be there, but they're not showing for the title. Just here. Now click for save change. Now refresh. Done. Right click. Open new tab. They go to which page? Contest.html. Each hyperlink will use a specific name. If not give the name, what happened? They're showing for empty title. So what is the name here? About us. Just I'm going to here. Control F. A space HREF. Now what is that? Home page. What is that? About us. And remove the about us. See this. Save change. What happened? Menu will be there, but menu is a no name. Problem is that I'm remove the anchor text name. No name nothing but no anchor text. How to find out? You can find out by Wurang toolbar. Now just click here. Which one? About.html. And just click. Is it clear? Now click for save changes. Now clear? This for done. This is for your anchor text. Every anchor text you can give the name. How to find out if the name was missing? You can search by a space HREF. Where I'm going to the page content. Click for Control U, Control F, a space HREF. Is it clear? This is all my anchor text. For that, Blogger, Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. So you can find it by here. Blogger, Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Just right click, open the new tab. What's that? This will be called hyper, nothing but anchor text. They indicate by the YouTube site. This is how you can check the hyperlink. If any anchor is missing for text, you can send to developer. They fix by your anchor text here. This is for using by our website anchor text. So this is for your website. Now just you go to Blogger here. If anybody click the site, they go into your contact us page. Now see here, just click for view blog. I'm clicking for contact us. Copy this URL. Now just go to your home page. Now click here. What is that? India designers in Hyderabad. Any hyperlink link is there? No. What is the previous one? H1 India designers in Hyderabad. Now just compose. Select it. What is this? Link. What is that? Web address. What happened? Open this link a new window, not for new tab. This is a new window. Same browser, new window. Now click for OK. Now check. What happened? A space href link. The name call is India Designers in Hyderabad. Please write down the syntax. So this is what I'm writing for anchor text for each website. So the reason is, just go to your website. So just you have to update here. Now just refresh. If any click this link, they go to which page? Contact us HTML page. Why? The hyperlink will be indicated by the contact us page for contacting purpose. Is it clear? This is for using by anchor text for individual pages with the highlighted keyword using with the hyperlink.